The third China International Consumer Products Expo, or Hainan Expo, is being held in China's Hainan, drawing over 3,300 brands from 65 countries and regions. Foreign business leaders and exhibitors have voiced hope for expanding their presence in the Chinese market.
我们今年带来2款全球首发的单品，这2款全球首发的单品都是我们中国的研发团队基于中国的国情、基于中国的消费家庭的需求，结合全球的趋势推出来的。我们也希望通过消博会这个平台，能把它带到中国的消费者身边。
通过这个平台呢，我们得益于更多的高端的奢侈品、消费品的公司或者合作伙伴进行合作。我们这次来呢，也带了相应的最新的技术，最高端的一些产品。
Italy is the guest country of honor in this year's expo. It has built its pavilion in about 1,800 square meters and has 147 brands participating in the expo. Both figures more than double that of last year's edition.
Some of the companies here, they are already consolidated, so known in the Chinese market. Others are totally new. So the reason is different. Some of them want to show and consolidate their position. Others want to find this as a showcase, like a fantastic opportunity to bring the brand, bring the names to the attention of the Chinese market.
我觉得，比如说，中国的这个橄榄油的市场还没有爆发了。我跟你说，意思是，如果中国的橄榄油的市场爆发的话，那可能它是亚洲的第1名。所以我就是马上要确定了，要必须在那里参加。这个是一个很好的机会，在中国南部，让我们的消费者了解更多关于橄榄油和关于我们的品牌。